This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. Great floor plan, great area, Cooper built, will need some TLC but worth the investment, less per square foot than building. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, approximately 2,300 hours/c square feet. Split bedrooms, nice R room, large walk-in closet, vaulted ceiling and great room, eat-in kitchen and formal dining area, nice size 2-car garage. Estate trust handling sale. Agency remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Hitchens at 501-922-7050.